Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by the Camping Family channel. Quick video here. I was out here doing some tinkering in the RV, and this project was just adding some cup holders. And I thought I'd throw out a quick video on this one particular brand of cup holder that I do like. I used these in the travel trailer that we had, and I bought a couple for the motorhome and thought I would just post out what brand these are. These are off of Amazon. Amazon does carry a couple different models, but this one had good reviews. They're just really heavy duty cup holders. You know, they put anything in here, coffee, they expand, pop cans, adult beverages, of course. But I thought I would just give you the brand and model so you don't get something cheap if you're kind of questioning what's a good model. And here they are, JR Products adjustable cup holder. And there's the part number. Part number is 45623. And here's one I had just taken out of the package. I want to put this one on the passenger side. That's all that comes in the package. Simple. They even supply you with 4 screws. And there's even an option for 2 more there. But just a real heavy-duty plastic, not going to break easily. And I thought I would just do a quick video on a good cup holder that I have had good success with. Hope everyone's doing well, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe.